Namaste everyone, this is Archit. Welcome back to Grihalok. Today I will be discussing another very important topic in the realm of Vastu, that is how to deal with the cuts and extensions of your home. Because they have a very profound effect on the Vastu of your home in your life. Whichever direction is cut has an impact, whichever direction is extended will also have an impact. Now it is very essential for you to understand the cutting of which direction leads to a disaster and the extension of which direction leads to a disaster. For example, if you have an extended northeast, it is good. Why it is good? Because that represents the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is all about expansion. Jupiter is all about blessings, learning, wisdom. So the more extended the northeast portion of your house is, the better it is for you. In fact, for wealth purposes, it is said to have a double ceiling in the northeast direction. That is extremely auspicious for your wealth. People with such a placement, people with such a construction, they end up becoming billionaires in life. Similarly, if you have an extended south portion of your home, now south is a direction governed by Mars. South is the direction of stability. Yes, it does give you stability, it does give you money, but that also makes you vulnerable to a lot of thefts, robberies. People with an extended south will experience frequent robberies in their life. They will get robbed some way or the other. It is just about time, the right dasha, the right planetary transit triggering that, if it has not happened yet. Otherwise, people who can resonate with this can always leave their comments below if it is not true. Another very important thing to remember is check that the southwest portion of your home or your plot or your flat should not be cut, because that represents stability in your life. It should not have a slope. Having a slope in the southwest direction will never give you stability in life. You should not have a water body, a boring, or a swimming pool in the southwest direction of your home. Never. Do not make these mistakes. These are potent of highly destabilizing you in life. Another very potent thing that you need to remember is check the drainage system of your home. It should never be clogged, because this is a warning of you developing a serious health trouble in your life. It is an early indication. It is a warning that your house, the Vastu Purush, gives you in advance. Never ignore these signs. Similarly, if you are facing the problem of frequent dampening in your home, आपके दीवारों में बहुत ज़्यादा सीलन आ जाती है. Now this is a sure-shot way of figuring out that you are having a Yuti of Saturn and Moon in your horoscope, or you are running your Sade, and that is giving you a bad effect. The most potent remedy for such people is they should give cold water to shivling on Mondays. Such people are also highly vulnerable to developing varicose veins. So these are the indicators that you need to watch in your home for a healthy life, for a stable life, for the happiness of your soul. I hope this was helpful and you were able to resonate with this. Please do leave your comments and let me know if you need any further information, or is there any specific topic that I should cover or make a video on. Thank you so much for watching. Over to the next one. Bye-bye.